Hi there, I'm Lily from Essex Wildlife Trust, and today I'm going to try to find some things around my garden that I can create some natural art with. Even if you don't think you're any good at art, it can be really therapeutic to try. So why not get creative with me today? So today I've decided to make some natural paints. So I've got some mud there for a nice brown. I've got a dandelion there for a nice yellow. I'm lucky that I have lots of dandelions in my garden, so there are still plenty for the insects. And I've made a nice green with grass and leaves there. So to mix this all together, I've actually used a rolling pin because it's the only thing I had, but you can use a pestle and mortar or even a stick. I've then just added it with water, and you can use as much as you like to get the colour you like. So let's have a go at putting these onto some paper. So the next things you're going to need are a canvas or a piece of paper, anything will do, and a paintbrush, in this case an old makeup brush. Anything will do. You can even use your fingers. So let's get painting. Now I just need to let it dry. So now that it's dried, I'm going to use a pen to illustrate the rest, but you can continue to use paints or even charcoal or anything you can find. So some of you might be wondering why I've just ruined a perfectly good canvas, but it was really fun, it was relaxing, and it was mindful as well. So I think it's really important to get outside in your garden and do something creative, whatever it is. Show me what you managed to do, I would love to see it.